Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. I have just printed out our 3 Party Favor bundle instead of a chip bag. So we're going to have these Grandma's Mini Sandwich Cream Cookies. The 1.3 ounce Pringles. And the 16.9 ounce water bottle. Those are the 3 Party Favors I will be doing today. So first, let's start with the Pringles can. We have our lid label and our can label. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to peel the backing off of the label. And I always use my tweezers to get the backing off. And I'm just going to adhere it to this lid. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is adhere the label to the can. Lay it down on its side. I'm going to one side, and I'm going to go around the other side. Okay. Just smooth everything out. So this is our Pringles can. Okay. So we have that done. We have our Pringles can. Now we're going to go to our water bottle. I'll lay it down. And I'll get the label, get my tweezers so I can get the backing off. Okay, and then I'll get this lined up. Get one side over. And then I'll take the other side over. And so here's our water bottle. Okay, so put that to the back. Now we're going to assemble our bag. And the customer wants these Grandma Mini Sandwich Cream Cookies inside instead of chips, okay? And this bag, this template will fit that. It is a 3.71 ounce bag, okay? So I'm just going to fold one side over. And then I'm going to fold the other side over. Okay, and I'm going to put adhesive on the back to get it sealed up. So what I'm going to do, I always do this for the top of the bag. I always put this double-sided tape with the backing on it. And I do that because when I assemble the bag, the last part of it is to put the snack inside, and I don't like the snack to get hung on the adhesive or snagging the adhesive. It's just easier to keep the adhesive covered and let the removal of that back strip on the adhesive be the very last thing I have to do. Okay, so I will fold over the bottom, then I will fold over next side. Okay, so this is our bag, and I will put the cookies down inside, and I will backing from the double-sided tape. Okay. And then I will secure the front and back of the bag and just press it down on both ends. And so, oh, let me get my bottom. My bottom wants to open up. Let's press the bottom good. Okay. So now we have our cookie bag. We have our water. And we have our Pringles. And what I'm going to do with the cookies, I'm going to add this label to the back. It says Grandma's Mini Cookies. I'm going to have that on the back of the bag so that the party goers will know that these are cookies inside. Okay, so this is the way the bottom of the bag will look. Okay, they'll be able to see that these grandma cookies are inside the bag. Okay, and so I think those 3 party favors came out really beautiful, guys. LOL dolls came out really pretty. Okay, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.